would not go in there if I were you. Hey, how's it going? It's Diego with ONYX, and today we're gonna be showing you how to install your stock 80-volt mirrors that come with your bike. Mirrors are gonna come folded in. You can just fold them out like this. And then they do rotate on here. You can loosen it or tighten it, up to you, if you wanna fold them in when you're not using your bike. So once you open up your hardware, you're gonna wanna find the skinny, sort of longer threaded bolts. You know they're the right ones because they'll be the only ones that thread into your reservoir. So if they don't go in, it's not the right one. Now, all this other hardware, I mean, they're universal, so you don't really need it unless you want to put them on other bikes. So they can be useful if you want to save them. If not, you can toss them. And you're gonna get 2 Allens for the same reason if you want to use bigger or smaller bolts. You can also use the Y tool that you get in your backpack, in your toolbox. It's gonna be a number 6. And then you're gonna go ahead and take either side. The best way to do this is to sit on your bike because you'll be able to really see where they sit. So just open up your mirror, put your bolt in there, go ahead and line it up. And then as you tighten it, you want to make sure that obviously you can see where the best placement is. And you don't want to go too tight, but once it's tight enough, you're all good. You do the same on the right side. So once you have them on, they come a little loose. If they're pretty loose, they're gonna bounce on you while you're riding. So you're gonna want to take the smaller Allen, and you just want to give it half a turn, and that should be enough. Also, same with this one, just give it half a turn. You should be good to go. Now, if you were to want to loosen them more or tighten them more, it's up to your preference, but those are good to go. So, if you want to extend your mirrors, obviously some people have broader shoulders or want to get a bigger view on the road. You can buy these, link in the description, mirror extenders. They give your mirror a little bit more reach from where you install them in the reservoir. So check it out. These are your extenders. So once you open up your little baggie, you're gonna want to find your hardware. You're gonna get 4 bolts. You're gonna get a bigger one, smaller ones, and some washers, some wishy-washies, like so. Washer through the bottom. And then this piece is gonna thread into here. And then your smaller screw is gonna sit in there. And that's the part that you're gonna wanna attach to your bike. So the best way to do this, obviously, is the way I do it is to already have this loosely on there, so I'm not struggling with it. And then you just put her on. You don't want to go too tight with these, especially if you put the washer on. The washer creates space so that it's tight, but you're not really stripping it. So go ahead and make sure that it's not going to move while you're riding, and you're all good to go. So once you have your mirror installed, just make sure that you can see. The best way to know if they work is to go ride. So have fun. The next one.